Let's look at this problem. If in a triangle ABC, b into b plus c equal to a square and c into a plus c equal to b square, then find the value of cos a, cos b, cos c. Here a, b, c are given as the side lengths of the triangle. So the given relations are b into b plus c equal to a square, c into a plus c equal to b square. So in order to solve this, so ABC are side lengths, right? So we'll convert it to the sine of the angles using sine rule. So a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c equal to 2r. This is sine rule. So a is equal to 2r sine a, b is equal to 2r sine b, c is equal to 2r sine c. So if I substitute this here, so I'll get, first we'll slightly adjust this equation. B square plus BC equal to A square and C square plus AC is equal to B square. So first let's say if I solve this equation, so B square plus BC equal to A square, right? So if I bring B square to the RHS, A square minus B square equal to BC. So if I substitute now, I'll get 2r sine A whole square minus 2r sine B whole square is equal to 2r sine B into 2r sine C. So this is sine square A minus sine square B is equal to sine B sine C, because 2r whole square will get cancelled on both sides. So in order to solve this, what we do is sine square A minus sine square B, we have a formula. This formula is sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So if I use this, so here if I use it, sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is equal to sine B sine C. So A plus B is pi minus C. So if I write this, pi minus C, because A plus B plus C equal to pi, right? Because it's a triangle, A plus B plus C equal to pi. So sine pi minus C into sine A minus B is equal to sine B sine C. So this is sine pi minus theta is sine theta. So sine C equal to sine A minus B into sine B into sine C. So we'll get sine A minus B equal to sine B. So which implies A minus B equal to B. So A is equal to 2B. So this is relation 1. And then if I solve the other one, C square plus AC is equal to B square. So AC is equal to B square minus C square. So similarly 2R sin A, 2R sin C is equal to 2R sin B whole square, 2R sin C whole square. So if I cancel 4R square on both sides, sin A sin C is equal to sin square B minus sin square C, which is sin B plus C into sin B minus C. So again B plus C is pi minus A. So sin A sin C equal to sin pi minus A into sin B minus C. So again sin A will get cancelled. So because A is not equal to 0, so sin C equal to sin B minus C. So which implies B minus C equal to C. So B is equal to 2C. So this is relation 1. 2. So A plus B plus C is equal to pi. What is A? A is 2B from relation 1. B is B. C is B by 2 is equal to pi. So B into 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to pi. So B is equal to 2 pi by 7. So A will be 2B, which is 4 pi by 7. C is equal to B by 2, which is pi by 7. So what we want is cos A, cos B, cos C. So which is cos 4 pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7 cos pi by 7. So, if we write in reverse order, this is cos pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7. So, this is like a relation, right? Sin cos theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta if theta equal to pi by 7. So, cos theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta. So, we'll multiply and divide by 2 sin theta. If I multiply and divide by 2 sin theta, so 2 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta by 2 sin theta. So, this is sin 2 theta. Again, if I multiply and divide by 2, so sin 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta by 2 sin theta. So, if I multiply by 2, I will get sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta, again sin 8 theta by 2. So, this is sin 8 theta by 8 sin theta. Sin 8 theta by 8 sin theta. This is sin 4 theta by 2. Sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta is sin 8 theta by 2. So, this is sin 8 theta by 4 by 2 sin theta, sin 8 theta by 8 sin theta. So, here if I use that, sin 8 pi by 7 by 8 into sin pi by 7. So, sin pi plus theta is, because 8 pi by 7 can be written as pi plus pi by 7. So, sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta minus sin pi by 7 by 8 sin pi by 7. So, the value of this is minus 1 by 8. So, cos A cos B cos C value is minus 1 by 8.